The new Samsung Galaxy S24 is anticipated to be released in the first quarter of 2024, as many of you are already aware. Whether or not that is true, details regarding these devices are still coming out, and we can now talk about how heavily they rely on artificial intelligence. According to the leaker S24, it looks that this new line of phones will ship with a single UI 6.1 out of the box, which makes us anticipate that these devices will have a number of innovations focused on artificial intelligence. Therefore, it is quite likely that the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series will include the biggest AI upgrade in the company's history. In fact, reports claim that the upgrades will be substantial and alter the way the company's forthcoming smartphones work. If all of this information is accurate, we'll emphasize that AI will be one of the new Samsung Galaxy S24's key selling factors. While One UI 6 is still in the beta testing stage and has only recently been available for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, it will be fascinating to see how these devices work with One UI 6.1. Although a date for the stable release is not yet set, there is already talk about the system's next version, which will be supported by AI since it will be incorporated into the system. The aforementioned leaker has revealed that, despite the lack of details, AI-provided upgrades would be significantly superior than Bixby. As is well known, Google unveiled a Bard-powered version of its assistant during the launch event for the Pixel 8 series. The company said they will soon begin testing the Super Assistant, and it seems that there aren't many devices on the list that it will work with. 9 to 5 The Google Pixel 8 series and future Samsung Galaxy S24 series are the first devices to enable Assistant with Bard, according to Google's investigation into a better version of the Google app. However, the publication also found mentions of planned support for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series and earlier Pixel phones with Tensor processors, such as the Pixel 6 and newer. Although we might assume that the company is using the more powerful chipset for Assistant with Bard, it is unknown why Google is only targeting these latest devices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.